In recording this session, we're just going to demonstrate how to create a template. Now, one of the nice things about putting a bit of time and effort into creating a really good spreadsheet solution is this. You can create a spreadsheet with all of your formulas in place, all of your formatting right, the layout right, mathematically correct. You can get some good data validation happening so people know what they're supposed to do when they click on a cell. But the next stage is what we're going to do is where we create it as a template. Now, if you have a look at this weather records, if this was a template, the only thing that's missing is we need to make sure, let's assume that the dates won't be changing. The only thing missing is that we need to get rid of the actual values, those ones there, and I'm just going to delete those. So that's now empty. The dates are there, the titles are there, the formulas are down there. Now, they're showing errors at the moment. But this is how simple this process is. I'm just going to go up the top up here and choose Save As. Now, I'm going to save it, not as an Excel spreadsheet, but as a spreadsheet template. Here we go, an Excel template. That's the one I'm after. Now, do you notice when you choose Excel template, it's going to default and store it away with the rest of your templates. Now, you can actually control that. If you don't want it to go into that location, you could actually change that and go put it somewhere else. So I'm going to put mine under my working drive so I know where it is. Thinking away, it's a bit slow tonight, a little bit like me. So here we go, weather. So it's going to be weather records template. So we're giving it a name, keeping it nice and logical, and I'm going to go save. Okay, let's close off that and get back to absolutely nothing and see what we can do. If I now go and open up that location where I saved away my template, and I'm just going to, for convenience, just sort it out so I've got it in order. There's my weather records template. Now the idea is that you create the spreadsheet, save it as a template. When somebody comes along and double clicks on it, and you can set this up in an organisational point of view. Here's your spreadsheet. Everything else is there. You start typing in values, and straight away, all your maths are starting to happen for you. So this is actually a really, really dead simple solution. You go and type in whatever the temperatures were, and all of your maths is happening. So what you've done is taken all of that complex design work, you've dealt with that, so that you've now created a product that somebody could operate with only very, very basic instruction. They don't need to be a guru on computers. They certainly don't need to be a guru on Microsoft Excel. It's just a data entry job. So that's all a template is. There's nothing more elaborate than that. Now, this is where you combine together the different techniques we talked about before, where you put in place your data validation, you get all your formulas right, get your formatting correct, and it becomes a really nice, simple solution that can be used time and time again. In actual fact, in my job here, I have templates for tracking like trainee records, where I'll create a standard training plan template for a trainee with all the units in place, spots to put in dates, spots to put in names. And every time we have a new trainee start, we double click on the template, just change the dates over and we're ready to go. So again, there's lots of little time savers you can have with that one. So I'm going to stop the recording of that one and we'll take some questions.